Hello Philippines, hello world, hello America, this is Cam guys and welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I have an unboxing to do. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. Yes, I bought like 4 lip gloss in here, so we're gonna check this one. So are you ready? And today guys, it's the weekend. Yeah, right? 12, it's like 11 days before Christmas. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing okay. Now I'm opening the box as I'm saying this, so I'm gonna open this back for you, for you guys. So from Kylie Cosmetics, like always is. I'm a big fan of Kylie. So this is one thing I like. The packaging of it is like it's so pretty. And then how much is I bought this lip gloss? I bought it for $5 each. Yes. So the first one is the Kylie Gloss. This is the one, as I'm gonna tell you guys. Yep. And we're gonna try all of this. And the second one is this one. I think the same packaging is. And Coco Cosmetics, and like, yes, I love this lipstick. So we're gonna try it on. Let's see what's gonna be look like on my lips. Okay. Okay guys, like you can see it, I have the lip gloss on my hand, so I'm gonna open this one and I'm gonna see what's the color of this. Oh, look at that. So pretty. They call the Sugar Plum. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna try this in front of you guys, so let's see how does it look like on my lips. Yeah. Oh, come on, Kimmy. Oh my god. Look at the texture of it. This is one thing I really like about the Kylie. Okay. Okay guys, this is Sugar Plum. I'm wearing the Sugar Plum right now. That's it. That's a Sugar Plum, like you can see it. For me, I think I like it. Like, oh my god, girl, I look so sexy. Oh my god. Yeah, I like it. You know, especially it's winter, and this is really good for like winter time, like when it's freezing and you want some gloss or some moisturizer in your lips. I guess this one will do. This is the Sugar Plum, guys. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go to the second one. The second one is from Coco by Kylie Cosmetics. So we're gonna open this, baby. I love lip gloss. I love taking care of my lips. They said like once you use makeup, it lessens the aging. So guys, you gotta use it. Okay. The second one that we're gonna have is the Dawn Gina. Yes, Dawn Gina from Kylie Cosmetics, called Coco. And then we're gonna try this lipstick, guys. Let's see how does it look like on me. Okay guys, this is the Dawn Gina. How does it look like on me? I think it's sexy though. Yeah. This is the Dawn Gina, guys. Yes. It's Coco from Kylie Cosmetics. Okay. Okay guys, so we're finished with the Coco by Kylie Cosmetics, so we're gonna go with this one, the second one. I mean, I think this is the third one though, because I reshot the second one. So we're gonna try this. Oh girl! So this is called the Candy K. Candy K, guys, as you can see in there, that's Candy K. So I'm gonna try this on, right? Okay. Okay guys, so this is the Candy K. I think I like this one. It's like you're having a lipstick and you're having a gloss. Like, oh my god, girl, I love this one. So guys, this is the Candy K from Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, Oh my god, girl, you're gonna love this. Okay guys, so we're going to the next one, and this is the fourth one. My favorite so far is the third one, so we're gonna... Oh, this is called the Pussycat, the next one. Just my luck, huh? Comes out down here. Oh, look at this one. Look at that. This is called the Pussycat. So we're gonna try this baby. Let's put this on my lips. Oh, I like it. So let's try this. Pussycat, guys. Yes, look at the lipstick. It's so pretty though. Hey, is it? Look at the colors you can see. And then that's a lipstick, guys. Oh, very sexy, isn't it? Yes. And you know, I'm a fan of Kylie Cosmetics. I have the eyeshadow, I have 4 over their palettes, and I use the yellow powder from Kylie Cosmetics, guys. You better check it out. It is because I've been using for 2 to 3 years now. So thank you for watching this vlog, guys. Like, comment, or subscribe to this channel, Cam Tubika. I know you're gonna love it. Okay guys, see you soon. Hey babe.